Dear students, in this video I am going to discuss MCQs and short questions from the play Riders to the Sea. The play is written by John Millington Synge. In brief, J.M. Synge. Look at the birth date and death of the writer. Mr. John Millington Synge was born 1871 and died 1909. It was a very brief period he lived. Now I am going to discuss about the introduction of the play. Students, look at the introduction of the play Riders to the Sea. Riders to the Sea is a one-act play written by J.M. Synge. It was first performed on 25th February 1904 at the Molesworth Hall, Dublin. The plot of the tragedy, it was a tragedy and one-act play, you can call. The plot of the tragedy is based not on the traditional conflict of human wills, but on the hopeless struggle of human beings against the relentless sea, an agent of nature. In 1897, Synge was encouraged by his friend W.B. Yeats. William Butler Yeats was his friend, to visit Aran Islands. While on the Aran Island, Synge heard the story of a man whose body was washed up on the shore of Donegal. Donegal is a city of Ireland. This inspired Synge to create this masterpiece. Next, look at the characters of the play. The first character, Moria, mother of 8 children. Bartley, Kathleen and Nora, 2 daughters. Bartley and Michael, 2 sons. Another character, town people and the young priest. Maria had 8 children. 6 of them were died. Let's start MCQs and short questions from the play Riders to the Sea. Question number 1. What kind of play is Riders to the Sea? Answer: one-act play. Question number 2. Riders to the Sea was first performed. Answer: 25th February 1904 at the Molesworth Hall, Dublin. Question number 3. Riders to the Sea was set in. Answer: in the Aran Islands, the west coast of Ireland. Question number 4. Moria had dash children, 6, 7 or 8. 8 children. Question number 5. Kathleen was dash years old, 20 years old. Question number 6. How many sons did Moria have? 5, 6 or 7? The answer is 6. Question number 7. Name the sons of Moria. Stephen, Sean, Seamus, Patch, Michael and Bartley. The sons of Moria, who all died Question number 8. Who were the elder and younger daughters of Moria? Kathleen and Nora, the two daughters of Moria. Question number 9. Who was the youngest son of Moria? Michael, Kathleen or Bartley? The youngest son was Bartley. Question number 10. What was Kathleen doing at the beginning of the play? Singing, sewing, kneading cake. The answer is kneading cake. Question number 11. Who wants to go to the Galloway fair? Michael, Bartley, the young priest. Bartley. The answer is Bartley. Question number 12. What did Nora bring at the beginning of the play? The answer is the bundle of clothes. Question number 13. Who gave the clothes to Nora? The answer is the young priest. Question number 14. How does Bartley die? The answer is the grey pony knocked him into the sea. Question number 15. How many men did Moria lose? The answer is 8. Question number 16. Michael's body was found at. The answer is at the Black Cliffs of the North. Question number 17. Give her the stick, Nora. The stick was brought by. The answer is Michael. Question number 18. How do Kathleen and Nora identify Michael's clothes? The answer is the specific stitch they used to craft his flannel shirt. Question number 19. Who are the riders to the seas? Who are the riders to the sea? The answer is all the men, husband, brothers, sons, fathers, etc. who never came home from the sea. Question number 20. I have seen the fearfulest thing. The fearfulest thing refers to. The answer is the ghost of Michael. Students, these 20 questions I have set for you. Please watch the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.